12 signs of low testosterone. Number 1. Low sex drive. 2. Difficulty with erection. Number 4. Hair loss. Number 5. Fatigue. Men with low testosterone have reported extreme fatigue and decrease in energy levels. You might have low T if you're tired all the time despite getting plenty of sleep, or if you're finding it harder to get motivated to exercise. Number 6. Loss of muscle mass. Because testosterone plays a role in building muscle, men with low T notice a decrease in muscle mass. Studies have shown testosterone affects muscle mass, but not necessarily strength or function. Number 7. Increased body fat. Men with low T may also experience increases in body fat. In particular, they sometimes develop gynecomastia, or enlarged breast tissue. This effect is believed to occur in an absence between testosterone and estrogen within men. Number 8. Decreased bone mass. Osteoporosis, or the thinning of bone mass, is a condition often associated with women. However, men with low T can also experience bone loss. Testosterone helps produce and strengthen bone, so men with low T, especially older men, have lower bone volume and are more susceptible to bone fractures.